friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we have to take a look of Hedera hashgraph, what's the price changes occur in Hedera hashgraph, and what is the best time to buy, sell, hold Hedera hashgraph. And this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, please don't forget to subscribe to Abby's Tech channel, because subscribe is very important for all of you, because I update you every hour from every cryptocurrencies news and alerts update. As you can see here, it's a very big update in the Hedera hashgraph. As you can see here, absolutely I never saw this kind of jump in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, take a like a rocket, they are jumping upward, as you can see here. So that is the good news for all of Hedera hashgraph holders. So friends, and this good news, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of good news videos. As you can see here, the average change of the last 1 hour is about positive 0.07% change occur in Hedera hashgraph, as you can see here, and the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.353413 is the high price of Hedera hashgraph. As you can see here, now currently they are jumping, so it's the best time to hold your Hedera hashgraph. Don't sell it and don't buy Hedera hashgraph, only hold it. My suggestion for all of Hedera holders, please hold your Hedera hashgraph. As you can see here, now currently they are start jumping soon, and in the future they take a high jumps, so wait for their high jumps. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hours. What's the price change occur in 2 hours? As you can see here, after a great falls, as you can see here, that is the start of new month, that is why they falls down. But as you can see here, now currently at this time they take a jump, that is why. So if we see the currently average level of Hedera hashgraph, so they are in negative because they fall down in the previous hours. That is why the change is a negative 0.41% change occur in Hedera in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.355143 is the high price of Hedera in the previous last 2 hours, friends. That is a live price prediction of previous 2 hours, 1 hour. You are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.